Okay, so now we can place rest of this filtering resistors and capacitors. So we will connect them here to these pins. And then we can align these resistors again, so we can select them all and then this modify align, and then we can click this. So now they are all aligned, and we can do same thing here. So again we select all and then modify align, and this time we have to select this vertical align. And these resistors are connected, so we have to travel here, there. So now we have connected them all, and we can save this schematic. And then we can open again this PCB layout. And then we can continue this design. And now we can notice that we can't do this wire here, so we have to move a little bit these components and this like that, and then we can route this. And now we can move this a little bit here, and then this wire like that, then it should be okay. Or we can make it here and then click middle mouse, so we can draw this bottom line. We have to move these things a little bit. Somewhere there. We can adjust this later. So now we have placed all these resistors and wires, and we can save this. And then we can go here and push to 3D model. So here we have this current model of this PCB.